Alrighty, today's video, I'm going to be opening up 2 PokeRev Holiday Mystery Packs, special limited edition. This is still in the packaging, haven't opened it. Then I also have just 15 booster packs I got from Colorado that are going to be opened up at the end. Let's get right into this. Okay then. So, we have this package. This is from PokeRev and everything on here. This is to me. This is his new PokeRev Holiday Pack Mystery Packs. Let's just get this opened. And here they are. Brand new, fresh out of the package. We're just gonna start this one. Now let's get these things open. Dang, I opened that up wrong. But we got a green, a mystery pack, and then everything else. We got a sticker. We got a Silver Tempest, Pizza Strike, Lost Origin, How They Evolved, and Vivid Voltage. Now let's just see what's inside this green. It's now Fusion Strike. We're just gonna start this. Then we're just gonna work right through the packs. I've already done things with these packs. I did a pack battle with these with my siblings. That video is posted if you guys want to check that out. I'd love it if you would. And just as I'm going through this, please leave a like, spread notifications on, and comment me what your opinion is on these packs of PokeRevs, these PokeRev mystery packs. This is my first time really second time opening up anything that came directly from Rev himself. And like always, his YouTube channel is linked will be linked down below in the comment section. So far, it's a breakout. Opened 2 packs, nothing out of the 2 packs. Kind of disappointing, honestly. But I'm gonna just go right through these to how much there is and just how much time that I have to really do anything. Almost no regular hollow. Next up is Lost Origin. Still want to pull an all art out of the set, honestly. Haven't even gotten one all art. Hoping to pull my very first out of any set, really. I mean, I pulled Rainbow. I've pulled just regular Vs, VMAXs, EX, and then with the new Scar and Violet, yeah. Nothing. This is kind of sad. Disappointing so far, but yeah, after this video is posted, there's gonna be one more PokeRev that it's gonna be there to fight that my dad got, and that's gonna be him opening them up on Christmas, just to see what he got. Still looking for a Rainbow though. I hope at least I get something better than green out of these. Like honestly, can't we just get something good out of this? 6-pack, and so far no. I mean, that Vivid Voltage was nice. The Voltage pack, nice, still modern but older. Rockruff, Train Gallery, followed up. Ranculus, regular hollow. But still, so Tempest saved us with this. First hit of the video, Train Gallery, still are good. Let's get right into this next one. Don't want to know what color it is. I'm just gonna flip it over. First up, we got Crown Zenith. Okay, next we got Paradox Rift. Very nice set. Pokemon Go. Another Solar Tempest. Another Lost Origin. We got red this time, so this is any XY or Sun Moon era pack. And then of course, just a sticker. Okay, we're gonna line them up. I was gonna start right up with Lost Origin. This was gonna be safe for last. Like an ultimate Gothic pack. Cardboard code card. There's always a hole in here. Okay, that's weird. That's supposed to be a V-Star, but that just got apparently got packaged wrong. Duttler, Whitwick, Vineyard, Apom, Clefairy, Slugma, Bayonet, Trainer Gallery card, into a Delphox V-Star. Double bigger pack. What in the world is going on, guys? This is just crazy. I mean, let's look at the colors on this full art. Wow. I mean, I've also pulled plenty of full arts. The regular cards. Scar and Violet, I've gotten... I don't know. I mean, I have 2 gold, so 2 hyper rares. Got a few other ones with that. Also, I'm just gonna go right through this. Dragonite Hollow, still a very good card. Looks artwork is sick on that. So I'm just gonna start speeding up just so I can get through this. I'm just gonna go straight through. Pokemon Go. Professor's Research for Trainer 4. What in the world, guys? Ever since that Rock Trainer Gallery, we've been hitting home like crazy. Code card. Paradox Rift. I opened this out with my family just off camera. Don't have any cards inside a binder quite yet. Let's see if we can get anything good. What generic or hollow? So, nothing out of that one. Crown Zenith. Good pull rate. Okay, ready to see what we get out of this pack. Trainer, just gonna go right through this. Absol. Trainer Gallery followed up. Zena Hollow. Still a really good card. Just, wow. How many Trainer Galleries have we pulled? Okay. X, Y, and Sun Moon. Which one do we get? Let's find out. This is it. Please be a good set. And it's Burning Shadows. Bad pull rate, but it has some really nice cards in it. I want the artwork. I mean, not kidding, the artwork is really nice. But green white code card must be. There's always a hollow in here. I just hope it's better. Quality, pretty good, decent, moderate. Do you guys see that shiny? Or is that just me? The Crozma GX. I mean, quality, well, widening up at the top, but overall, really nice card. Okay, next up, we got all these packs. We're just gonna start here with Silver Tempest, or we're just gonna get right to these. So these, I got these from when I was over in Colorado. Been waiting to open them up, and now just here's the moment. Here's the chance to do it. Some packs I'm going to be consistent. Some packs I'm going to be inconsistent with. Doing the pack trick with them, and just going through them is going to happen a little bit. So yeah, overall, we've got Burning Shadows, which is about a $10 booster pack. Waffy Trangari, Keldeo non-hollow. I mean, we're still getting hits left and right. I just wish that GX card that we got was the Charizard. I want the Charizard in that set. It's a really nice set. Okay, this is Rebel Clash next. So this is beginning. This is the second set that was released in the Sword and Shield era. Okay, let's see if we get anything. Coughing. Fish bucket, a boss, no, not hot. Next pack. I mean, I loved opening those. No rainbow, unfortunately. I don't know if anyone else has gone any out. Any rainbow out. If anyone else has gone, and let me know if you got rainbow out of the packs. Out of his packs. Wow. So far, no good. First, still just, I was gonna go right through this one. Karen Obstagoon, Poker Hollow. But I also do have an idea for my first live stream. Snorlax V4! Guys, what is going on? Ah! We are getting luck left and right now. This is Sword and Shield base, but it's still 4. Yeesh! So far, Colorado packs are, these packs are kind of doing good and all that. I'm just gonna go right through this. Except right. So, this next one I'll hack trick and not go right through it. Yeah, but I got triple B in 3 different languages that I'll think about doing for my first live stream. Plus throwing some other packs in there. So yeah. Let me know what you think, but I'm still taking ideas for what I should do. Okay, come on. Why? Okay, those are Fusion Strike, nothing out there. Next up we got Chilling Rain. Still really good set. Like always, any card I get from any set, I'll go and put inside a binder and one of my goals is to collect every single set in English, French, and Japanese. That's including all the promos side of everything. Quality on these cards are still really good. I screwed up. Well, we got a regular holo there. I did 5 from the back instead of just 4. My bad. And next up is Shining Phage. Let's see if we get any shinies. 4 from the back to the front. And let's just go right through this, shall we? This is my first time opening up Shining Fates, period. I just hope I get it. Okay, this set has Shiny Charizard in it. Got nothing. Shiny Charizard V as a 4. Shiny. Oh, it's VMAX. I hope we get one of those out of this. At least a shiny. Any shiny would make me happy. But Charizard I would be ecstatic about. Okay, Grookey, Yanma, Morpeko, Choodle, Eevee, Timiotao, Boss's Orders. Striking out. Really, oh, we've gone from this to like maybe 3 pulls. Really nothing crazy, but still ecstatic. about opening this. Looks like there was some sort of card there. So I'm gonna go through this. Dartrix. Oh god. Trapinch. Yanma. Coughing. Morpeko. That's gonna be a double banger. Torkoal Baby Shiny, and then behind it we got Dumeyes regular VMAX hit. I'm really wondering what in the world's going on. Baby Shiny, they're still kind of hard to get, so I won't count it as a hit, I'm just leaving it. Okay, so far, one shiny, one regular VMAX, one shining face. A little whiting on that card. Dang, I did it again. Well, that's our rare, so I'm just going to go right through the rest of this. Okay, last pack for this video. Come on, let's get some off-sex magic. Let's get a Charizard. Or a Charmander or something from that line. That Evolution Chain. Come on, we got one shiny. Give us another shiny. Please. Just one more shiny. One more. Just one shiny. We got a double regular baby shiny and then Dreadnought. Okay, that's it for this video. On your way out, just see at the end with my outro, there's gonna be a video post on the right side of your screen. Don't forget to hit subscribe with notifications on. Don't forget to smash the like button on your way out. Like always, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.